Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and today we are unboxing the Nokia 7.2. The Nokia 7.2 is the latest in the Nokia 7 series. This is actually a really interesting phone because it has a 48 megapixel triple camera with an ultra wide angle camera as well. All of that, and there's a 20 megapixel front facing camera as well, and of course Android One. You guys know I'm a huge Nokia fan, so I can't wait to check out this phone, but first, here's the unboxing. Alright, so first up, the box itself is a very Nokia box. I have to admit, I like how they kept that Nokia styling over the years. Quick list of specs at the back. Alright, and let's open up the box. So you open up the box and the first thing you see is obviously the Nokia 7.2. I have the gorgeous cyan green version. Let me just open that up so I can show you how beautiful that phone looks. Right. So yeah, that's a gorgeous looking color. Yeah, I'm gonna be flaunting this and taking pictures of it because that's a really pretty color. Alright, moving on. Apart from that, you have the SIM card removal tool. You have a quick start manual getting started with the Nokia 7.2, product and safety information, and then lastly you have the charging adapter, you have the charging cable, and nice to see that it's Type-C. Yes, that's awesome. Big fan of Type-C, you guys know that. And lastly, there's also a headset included. This is very classic Nokia. So interesting to see that most phones nowadays don't have a headset included in the box, but Nokia still gives you a headset in the box. So that's cool. That's very Nokia. Alright guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Nokia 7.2. As always, if you guys have any questions about this phone, please let me know right in the comment section below. I'm actually really excited to test out my first Nokia phone in years. And you guys know I'm like the biggest Nokia fan in the world, so I might be a little biased in this one. Alright, as usual, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button right below and maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.